Happy Super Bowl Sunday, everyone. I won't take much of your time up today because it is time for fun and games, but tomorrow is Monday, the markets will be open, and you're going to have to be on your A game if you want to make any money. So in this video, I'll be putting another penny stock on your radar that has the potential to blow. And we're going to be starting right now. Hey, what's going on? It's Pat from Top Ticker Trades. If you're new here and you want to learn how to use stocks and options to make your portfolio go parabolic, make sure you start now by subscribing and tapping that bell so you never miss an upload. What is going on, Ticker fam? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to yet another video. So today we're talking about a meme stock. This is a sin stock. This is one that those Redditors have put on their radar, and there's about 180 million of them now in their groups. So this is one that you may want to pay close attention to. This is a pot stock, if you haven't guessed already, or if you didn't recognize the logo on my video thumbnail. But this is a stock that's only trading at $1.12 right now, which makes it extremely cheap, which means that you can probably afford to buy a lot of shares. However, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. Remember that you should always do your own DD. This is a risky stock, as with all penny stocks. Keep that in mind and do not put any more money into this stock than you are willing to lose. But without any further ado, let's get started. Make sure you smash that like button before we do, because it does help out the channel greatly. Now, the stock that we're talking about today is going to be Sundial Growers. And the reason that I bring this penny stock to your attention today, ladies and gentlemen, is simply because there's been quite a bit of hype around. And while this isn't the type of stock that you'd want to traditionally take a position in, it most certainly is a stock that meets all the criteria required by the current market we're in to have a massive move. So personally, I will be swinging this and taking profits as soon as they're available. And while this is a risky stock in general, as I told you guys earlier, the risk to reward ratio seems to be quite appealing to me. So if you consider what the guys at the Wall Street Bets were able to do with stocks like GME and AMC, you can use your imagination here as well to see where this could go. But this was a stock that Robinhood previously placed on their naughty list, but it's not just Wall Street Bets that makes this an interesting play. We've seen retail traders showing a lot of interest in this penny stock for quite some time now. The volume on this has been insane, and more retail investors are piling into this thing on a daily basis. We do have a lot of gaps to fill on the chart, and if everything goes our way, this could easily double and potentially even run up to maybe $10 plus, depending on how long you want to hold. Now, fundamentals are improving for this company, and after closing the recent offering, the company is in a strong financial position to potentially make some things happen. However, looking at this from an investing standpoint, there are much better pot stocks that you can get into. So with that being said, let me reiterate the fact that we are basically playing the hype here and not necessarily looking at this as something that you will want to remain invested in for long term. And what I plan on personally doing here is swinging this with the goal of selling enough shares eventually to allow me to make the rest of my position free. And, this is going to happen when the time comes. This is based on opportunity. This has worked out very well for me in the past and will allow you to leave yourself exposed to bigger gains in the future should this become a possibility. One of the issues with this company is that you can expect a lot of offerings, a lot of share dilution. So anytime that this penny stock makes a big move, you can pretty much expect an offering. That's always going to be likely with penny stocks. And with that being said, you could actually use this to your advantage by playing this after an offering or by acquiring this after an offering and then riding the wave back up. And so far, this has worked very well in this market. We've seen it with just about every other stock. One example that probably everybody's familiar with is NNDM, but we've seen it with so many other stocks, so it's pretty much a go for me right now. While I have you here, I wanted to quickly tell you about the brand new First Trade app, available for mobile or PC. The platform will give you access to powerful and easy to use tools and allows you to trade with less restrictions, zero commissions, zero fees, and you can use the first link in the description below to download a free stock today without having to deposit any money. This will greatly help out the channel and is always appreciated. And now back to your regularly scheduled programming. Congrats, ladies and gentlemen, you've made it to the end of the video. If you like what you watched, make sure you subscribe because I put out videos just like this one every single day. And please do me a favor and smash that like button if I helped you in any way, because it really goes a long way in helping the channel out and keeps me motivated to make videos every single day. Now, there's a lot of work involved, a lot of research, and a lot of time and effort into editing and putting these out daily for you guys. You can subscribe from your screen right now, or if you want to watch one of my other videos, I'm sure YouTube has some good content picked out for you on the left-hand side of your screen now. Thanks for sticking it out with me till the end, and I will see you guys in the next video.